Welcome to the Jharkhand SI series. This is the last set of the Jharkhand SI examinations of 2017. Let's begin with the question number 1. The current Chief Minister of Jharkhand is the member of Legislative Assembly from which constituencies? The present Chief Minister of Jharkhand is Hemant Soren and he belongs to Jharkhand Mukti Morcha and he is serving as the 11th Chief Minister of Jharkhand. Hemant Soren actually on from two constituencies. First one is Dumka and second one is Barhet. At the time of taking oath, he take as a oath of from Barhet constituencies and he left the seat of Dumka. Okay, he's from Barhet constituencies. But this question was asked in 2017. That times the present Chief Minister of Jharkhand was Raghuvar Das and he belongs to Jamshedpur East. That's why this answer would be first, but right answer is, if this question was asked, this question is asked in 2022 after 2019, then answer would be changed. The answer is Barhet constituencies. Okay, let's move on the further questions. Yeah, question number second. The total number of districts in Jharkhand. How many districts are in Jharkhand? Okay, at present there are 24 districts in Jharkhand, and these districts are separated in 5 divisions. Okay, at the time of formation of Jharkhand, there were 18 districts of only. 46% of the area of Bihar was carved to make as a made at a state of Jharkhand. Jharkhand was created 28th states of India. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi and vice capital of Jharkhand is Dumka. Okay, there are 24 districts. And how many blocks are there in Jharkhand? There are 263 blocks in Jharkhand. Okay, how many villages in there Jharkhand? There are 32,620 blocks in Jharkhand. Okay, sorry, districts. Blocks 263. Yeah. Question number third. Pakur district is famous for which of the following? Why Pakur district is famous? Pakur district is famous for stone and beedi, making of stone and beedi. In Pakur districts, the literacy rate is listed here, male and female also. The highest literacy rate lies in Ranchi districts in male and female. If you talk about the overall literacy rate of Jharkhand, the literacy rate is 66.41%. The male literacy rate is 76.84%. What about female? The female literacy rate is 55.41%. Okay, highest in Ranchi district, lowest in Pakur districts. Ranchi districts lies in which divisions? South Chota Nagpur divisions, and Pakur district is lies in Santhal Pargana divisions. The headquarter of Santhal Pargana division is in Dumka. The headquarter of South Chota Nagpur division is in Ranchi. Okay. Yeah, the total population of Jharkhand is 3,29,88,134. This is the explanations of for these questions. Okay, let's move on the further questions. Question number, that is question number 4. Actually, question number 4 is Methane power project is located in which of the following districts? Actually, methane dams was built on the Barakar river. Yeah, and he is from which district? In Dhanbad district. In Dhanbad district, Topkanchi lake is also located. Bokaro is famous for quality of education. Ranchi, in how many waterfalls in Ranchi districts? There are 7 waterfalls. Okay, in Deoghar district is known as the cultural capital of India. Yeah, let's move on the question number. Plastic park is going to be built in Deoghar districts according to economic survey of Jharkhand. Yeah, question number 5 is what is the approx height in feet of Parasnath Hill? Parasnath is a pilgrim site of Jainism. It is located in Giridih districts. Okay, the height of Parasnath is if you talk about in feet, 4,431 would be the right answer. Suppose if this question is asking in what is the altitude of Parasnath Hill in meter, so then answer would be 1,365. Okay, it is a pilgrim site of Jainism. Jharkhand Dham is also located in Giridih districts. Yeah, Madhuban is also located in Giridih districts. Yeah. Which district is also known as Mika capital? Then answer would be Kodarma district is known for Mika capital. Cultural capital Deoghar. Yeah, let's move on the further questions. That is the question number 6. Question number 6 is saying that in which of the following year Giridih district was formed? Actually, in Giridih district was formed in 1972. In 1972 year, there were 3 districts were made. The shortcut is GCB. G for Giridih districts were made in 1972. Chatra district is also made in 1972 and Bokaro district is also made in 1972. Yeah, okay. That is the shortcut in acronym to learn. GCB, Gadwa, Chatra and Bokaro. Yeah. Let's move the further questions. The further question, that is the question number 7, and question number 7 is saying that the population of scheduled tribe is found to be highest district of Jharkhand. In the population of scheduled tribes is found in Simdega district highest. Okay, how many Adim Janjati are there lies in total in Jharkhand? There are 8 Adim Janjati. Yeah, if you want to learn this acronyms shortcut to learn Adim Janjati, then you have to learn mask. If you wear mask, then your BP would be higher. Okay, so MASSKBB, because your BP is going to be high, that's why PP and OP. What is the full form of, what is the meaning of AM? AM here is Mal Pahadiya. Okay, here is A is for Assur and S is for Sabbar and S is also, here is double S, then S is for Shaurya Pahadiya and K is for Kharwar and B is for Birhor and B is here Binjia and P is Panch Paragania. Okay, Mal Pahadiya, Assur, Sabbar, Shaurya Pahadiya, Kharwar, Birhor, Binjia, Panch Paragania. There are 8 Adim Janjati are in Jharkhand. What about tribal? How many tribal peoples live in tribal community? 32 tribal community. Which one is latest? Korwa is latest. Yeah. Actually, Kharwar tribe is also known as, they can do everything. They can do everything for our truth. Kharwar tribe, yeah, famous. Yeah. Let's move on the question number 8. Question number 8 is that saying that Lohardaga district was from which is played of. Actually, this question is, the purpose of asking this type of questions is before becoming Lohardaga districts, Lohardaga districts was earlier a part of which districts? It is lies in, it is the part of the Ranchi district itself. Okay, Lohardaga district, why Lohardaga district is famous? In Lohardaga district, bauxite is there in maximum quantity. Ranchi is known as the spring city, martyr city. Birsa Stadium Park is there. First agriculture is there. Bokaro quality of education. Hazaribagh is the North Chota Nagpur headquarter of the North Chota Nagpur. Yeah, Anjanagram is Gumla district. In Gumla districts, Alberteka belongs to Gumla districts. In Alberteka was did in 1970 war India-Pak war. Okay, he is also belongs to Gumla district. Okay, let's move the further questions. Question number 9. What is the full form of Manrega? Yeah, what is the full form of Manrega? The full form of Manrega is Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guaranteed Act. Okay, yeah, let's move the question number 10. Question number 10 is that what is the amount in rupees given under Indira Gandhi Matru Sahyog Yojana in the state of Jharkhand? Yeah, the amount is given 6,000 only. Yeah, which district of Jharkhand is Chow dance associated with? Chow dance associated with Saraikela Kharsawa. Okay, there are 3 versions of Chow dance. First one is Saraikela Chow, Purulia Chow, and Mayurbhanj Chow. Okay, 3 versions. Actually, there is in news one Chow is also found in Khoti district, Sibu Chow. Okay, Sibu Chow. Yeah, let's move to the question number 12. Karma Puja is in tribe resemble with festival of. It's look like say Raksha Bandhan Karma tribe. Karma Puja was celebrated. Karma Puja is celebrated in which month? Bhadav month. KB means buck. Cub. Devaki Nandan Prasad wrote the book of in Nidhri Aake Jalanki Patte. Okay, the question number 14 is saying that Biddu Chandan is the first ever drama of Santhali literature written by Raghunath Murmu. Okay, who is the founder of Santhali script? Pandit Raghunath Murmu in 1941. What is the script of Santhali? Is all Chiki. Okay, all Chiki. Ghagri waterfall are located in which district? In Latear district. Latear lies in Gadawa. Sorry, Latear. Netarhat lies in Latear district. In Lohardaga bauxite is in maximum quantity. Gadawa Bansida temple is there. Surrounded is famous for forest areas. Baiga tribe considered as the sacred animal as tiger. Yeah. Question number 17 is that Idimi is the marriage form of which tribe? It is the marriage form of Idimi is the marriage form of Asur tribe. Okay. Question number 18. Construction of Palamu Fort was started in which year? It is started in 1691. Actually, in Palamu districts there were two fort. First one is Palamu Fort is 2 fort. Ancient fort was made by Pratap Rai, and modern fort was built by Medini Rai. Okay. Baba Bansidhar temple situated at Nagar Utari has an idol made of gold of Lord Krishna weighing 1280 kg. Okay, it is Bansidhar temple is located in Nagar Utari. Nagar Utari lies in which district? Garhwa district. Okay, another form of Bansuri is Murli. Yeah, Dosmi dance uses form of which type of music is it uses Lengle dance of music. In Sorhai dance, female sings which type of the song? Chumbadi song. What was the main reason of the tribal movement? Main reason of tribal movement was explosions of oppressed people. Okay. Question number 24. The poster on the pillar entitled Our Samvidhan Bharat in 1913 in the Grade A districts, Nirmala Chandra Banerjee. Yeah, option number 1 would be the right answers. Yeah, let's move the further questions. 25. Which king did Jahangir imprisoned in the fort of Gwalior as the punishment for not paying tax in 1630? Which ruler? The ruler name was Durjan Sal, which rebellion was suppressed in 1820 to 21 under Major Raffles and in 1837 under Captain Wilson. Ho revolt. Which of the following kings of Ramgarh was opposing the British from the beginning till the end for not paying tax? Yeah, it was Mukund Singh. In which year the first documentary of Jharkhand was made? It was made in 1964. When was CNT Act was formed? CNT, what is the full form of CNT? Santhal Pargana Tenancy Act 1908. The date is 11th November. Okay. How many chapters are there in CNT? Total chapter is 19. How many sections? 217. If you want to learn, then here is the shortcut. You have to learn only 10. If you add 9 plus 1 is equal to 10, or 27 plus 1 is equal to also 10. How many chapter? What is the full form of SPT? What is the full form of SPT? The full form of SPT is Santhal Pargana Tenancy Act 1949. It was formed in 1st May 1949. How many chapter of in SPT? There are 9 chapter. And how many sections? 72. If you want to learn, then you have to learn. Here is a shortcut also. You have to learn only 9. 9 plus 9 is chapter. 72 plus 9 is equal to section. Okay. Actually the blueprint of CNT was made by J.H. Hoffman. J.H. Hoffman. Then let's move the further questions. Question number 29. This is the second last questions of this set. Yeah. Under whose leadership in the Santhal Pargana the local women challenged the salt laws? Yeah. The answer will be Selabai. Selabai Rai. Yeah. Question number 30 is saying, this is the last questions of the last set of last exam. Okay. Who proclaimed Abua Raja Uttejana Maharani Raj Turu? Now Munda Raj has begun and Queen Victoria Raj has ended. Who said this? Birsa Munda. Birsa Munda revolt took place in 1895 to 1900. Okay. This movement is also known as Ulgulan movement. The meaning of Ulgulan is revolt. Okay. Thank you.